Hi, it's Craig. Okay, I'm going to try and get ChatGPT to rob a bank. Okay, not a real bank, obviously. I'm going to try and get it to rob a fictional bank that's part of an educational game we made. So, we've got a game called How to Rob a Bank. It's a free game for school pupils and college students to learn about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So, I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to try and play the game from start to finish. I'm going to try out ChatGPT's new agent feature. So rather than chatting to an AI bot, you can use this agent feature to actually get ChatGPT to do things. You can tell it to visit a website or interact with apps or carry out tasks for you. So I'm going to try and get it to play the game like a real learner on our website. So in ChatGPT, I just started by giving it the website, which you can see right now, and I told it I want you to find the How to Rob a Bank game and I want you to play it from start to finish. So I typed that chat in, that prompt, and it found the website and it plays it back so you can kind of follow along. And what's going on here is it's showing you how it's thinking about it. It's sort of almost like a commentary. So I just thought I'd look at this. So as that little text box comes up on the screen, it shows you what it's thinking about, its reasoning. So let's see if it can even log in to begin with. So I need to fill in the player school field. Okay. So is it going to type in a school or is it just going to select like other? Okay, it's wait for independent. It's decided it's an independent school. Okay. And it's called itself player. Okay. So it knew to close the pop-up. That's a good sign. Okay, so the way that this game works is all the instructions appear on the left, and then you have to type that into the terminal that you see on the right there, and it's doing a good job so far. So it's reading those instructions on the left, it's working out what it needs to do, and then it's typing it in. That's worked. Okay, the next task is going to SSH in. So it needs the login and the password. Yep, it got it. Read the password from the post-it note. Okay, so it's reading the instructions and it's doing it. It's pretty impressive. And it's not making any mistakes. A lot of people who do this type things in wrong, like they type 1S rather than LS, so that's a good sign. Yeah, it's going through this really quickly. Okay, so it switched the user and it's at the stage now where, yeah, it completed the whole task there. So that's only been about, what, 2 minutes or so, 2 or 3 minutes. And it's now at the stage where if you were really playing this game, it would open the Strathclyde Bank website and get to log you in. It looks like it has finished doing that, and I'm glad it's not tried to then log into this fictional bank account and steal the money. So, what do you think? Did it do better than you thought? I thought it was pretty impressive. I can see ways that I'm not going to be using it every day, but I can see how it could be useful to test some of the games on our website or try and make sure that our instructions are really clear. But if you don't want to let the bot rob the bank, you can do it yourself. You can go to cyberskillslive.com and try it there.
We run courses and workshops on all things digital. To find out about upcoming events and join our newsletter, check out our website, digitalskillseducation.com.